It's ornamental grass season, and I'm going to show you a few of my favorites and show you how to use them in your garden. So let's start with Juncus Big Twister, an evergreen grass that loves wet soil and works really good in a planter and looks great all year round. Next, we have Japanese bloodgrass. It does die down, but that vibrant burgundy tone looks superb against granite walls. If you've got a bit of shade, then the Japanese forest grass, Hakonechloa, all gold or Aureola, is going to really hold up and shine in the darker light. For some height, we've got some Miscanthus Cosmopolitan, 6 to 7 feet of variegated beauty. Or for a little smaller stature, Miscanthus Gold Bar with those lovely gold bands going all the way up. If you need something shorter or for mass planting, blue fescue grass or black Mondo work really well and give you a nice modern look. While for a little more height in the blue tones, the blue oat is superb. For some height but thin, say you want to get a screening on a balcony, Calamagrostis Color Forester, 4 to 5 feet, thin as could be, and it never flops, and it's very cold hardy. Last but not least is Pennisetum Carly Rose, a really beautiful Pennisetum with pink flower heads that looks great in any mixed border. Right now we've got a fabulous selection of ornamental grasses at Amsterdam Garden Center, and if you want to come down, we'll help you design for your garden.